Hello guys! So, ngayon, nagluto si Monica. Papakita ko lang sa inyo ang aming lunch. Ang aming simple lunch. Yan. Papakita ko. Anong ulam natin?
Adobong pusit at saka
Yan. Oh, mukhang masarap ang Monica.
adobong pusit
Tapos,
ko.
mayroon kami
Laigo.
gulay guto.
Laigo.
Nag-dry na yung sabaw.
Laigo.
Okra at chili.
Lizing.
Let's eat. And then tomorrow ay pupunta kami sa aming another farm doon sa Amadeo. Yan, papakita ko sa inyo bukas. Kain na tayo. This bird is playing there. Let's eat.
Okay. Good.
Yun yung pagkain namin guys. Kain. Ito yung gustong-gusto ko na squid. Sarap. May okra. Masarap, fresh. Tapos meron kamatis at saka laso na. Ay, onion. Sobrang sarap. Good morning, guys. So, it's time to go. Katatapos lang naming naligo. Naligo, nakabihis na din. So, ngayon, naghihintay ng aking asawa doon. Hindi na makapaghintay. Pupunta tayo sa aming farm. So, ituturo ko kayo doon, guys. After ng malalakas na bagyo, ayan, ay madaming nagtumbahan doon. Pero ngayon, okay naman na. Narinig na nila. Kailangan nating ilak ang ating pintuan. Ang aking anak ay ayun. Lalakad na mag-isa. Walking alone. Yeah. Very good.
Hi!
Go, master. Let's go to your farm. Hi. Say hi.
Hi!
Hi, these people. Let's go to our farm. Yes.
Pabalik na di. Excited. Balang manan.
Go.
Yeah.
May bata makulit. Let's go.
I could bring that clothing or something.
What clothing? Yes. This bear. You sleepy? Yes?
Grabe mo itong hininga niya. Lang tapo.
Oh, you're gonna sleep. Open our fencing also.
Nandito na
Last
kami
for 2
sa
years.
farm. Papunta na sa aming farm. Ayan, ganito po yan dito. Hindi pa masyadong mga phase, anong phase yun? Maybe phase 3. I know, phase 2. Tapos dito sa kabila, phase 3. Yan, ito pala yung phase 3. Maloob. May mga nagpatayo na rin dyan. Tapos yung amin ay nasa phase 4. Oh, the tower is done.
This tower. It's electric tower.
Dito naman ang phase
Mas
4.
mabaya.
selling something there. Fruit. What fruit is that?
Oh, they sell fruit.
Yeah. They sell fruit. What's that?
See, they make a wall. You see how they do it.
Oh, they're planting corn.
But
Wow.
it's clearing up already
Why
now.
the corn like that, no?
Of course not the rain.
Clearing up.
They are so small then
The
producing
rain plants that we lay down.
the
What they call it?
that one is
Eggplant.
eggplant.
The tree also drop.
Our neighbor. Malapit na.
Oh, they do the wall.
Oh, this is
Bicycle
our
lah.
neighbor. They
Send
put.
the- Oh, wow, they make the wall
Oh,
so
nice
big.
ah. Yeah, like that.
Nice, huh?
Yung aming bahay kubo there.
I don't know. At least they do the foundation.
Oh, this is our neighbor. Do
Oh, they can
like
make it
that.
nice. Eh?
Make it nicer. Oh, nice.
So, so in the future, it's good now. See improvement. Some also they can think. Okay? At least they make the wall. Make the wall to another fence. Right? Yeah. Then this part also we can do.
This is our farm. This is Aiden. They Aiden
Motorcycle.
motorcycle. Okay, let's go. I'm so excited to see our farm na. Madami silang ano.
Like that, how they come up.
You just put here.
We got them. Flower come out suddenly.
Limos.
Apa dia?
They are there now. Ayan guys, nandito na kami sa aming farm. Jasper! Andun yung aming mga bahay kubo. Ayan, papasok tayo dyan guys. Ayan,
Di ba parang mainit si Jasper?
Let's go! Malaki na yung aming papaya, oh. Magbubunga na din. Nasaan na ang aking asawa? Ayun.
Flower.
Hi guys!
Oh. Yung... Hmm? Yeah, yeah. Now better, right?
Yeah,
See, now it's... Yeah. Yeah. Why the... How they do? Maybe it's not deep now like that. Malalaki na yung ano halaman, oh. Ito ay...
They take out all the tire. Oh, some tire they cut.
And then ang aming caretaker. Oy, naglagay sila ng ano. I think this one need to remove it also. Not so ugly.
Ate, nagdakal di aso.
Oh, hi ate. Hi kuya. Magandang umaga.
Asan ni Lisa? Di ba po dalawa yan?
Hi.
Yun yata yung isa.
Hala, malaki na yung aso.
Ano isa?
So the hen on
Oh yeah, and this one, this one.
the bandage.
Ano na yun nante?
Oh, kawawa nga eh. Tinagat ng ano, bully dog.
Yan. Oh, ito yun.
Grabe, ang laki.
Laki. Pero okay naman na daw po yan.
Oo, tinuturo ko na ni Kapagyan ka. Pantapon.
Oh. Pagin kayo go. Want to go down? Want to you walk?
Silipin natin ang ating bahay kubo. Sino si Aidan? Siya?
Wala po.
Ah.
Kapatid po yan.
Ah.
Nasa Gen 3.
Oh.
Oo.
Yan.
Ako hindi ba nga punta? Ano yan lang
Yan. Nilagyan na nila ng ano, pink.
lagyan mo ng uling yung tao.
Tapos yung ano, yung isang bahay kubo dahil nabagyo.
See?
Hi Jasper, how's your farm?
Very
Nice?
nice. Maliwanag siya.
Oh my god. Look at this.
Makalat yan. Kaso nung bumagyo,
Oh my gosh. Nasira. Ayun oh. Grabe talaga yung nangyari nung ano na bagyo. Oh, nasira yung bahay kubo namin. Ayun oh, nabagsakan. Mga halaman namin. Mango, banana. May bunga yung banana namin. Yan. Ito yung rambutan. Tapos yung mga tawag nito, kasaba. Yan, malaki na. Baka may ano na to. Mga malalaki na yung ano. Ay, may butas dun. Ayun. May bunga din ang aming lemon. Papaya. May bunga na rin pala ang papaya dito. Ayan. Ayan. So far, okay naman tong mga halaman namin. Tong rambutan. Oh, malaki na. Ito yung jackfruit. Jackfruit. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag na ito. Mangosteen, mango. Yan. Madami pang ano, mga tatanggalin. So, ngayon magba-barbecue kami ngayon dito guys kasi first time namin makita sila ate, yung caretaker namin. Kaya yan, magsi-celebrate kami ng konti. Ito yung kaong oh, may bunga na din.
Miss all the tree got cut down already.
But it's better now. It's look more better. See, a lot more to remove it. It's ugly.
No, all will remove lah. All this
If the typhoon
all
na
this
see,
dead already. All this dead got cut.
yeah, did already.
They cut everything out.
Once the typhoon comes, it's so ugly. Trees.
Maybe our plants are growing now.
Yeah, at least the plant big now. Your mangosteen also, see? Oh,
Plants are growing now.
this is lanzones, right? Lanzones. Ito kamyas to eh. Lanzones din. Tapos doon sa pinakababa guys, mayroon river doon. Pero malalim siya. Kailangan lagyan ng hagdan. Ha? Yeah, still many. Ito yung una naming bahay kubo na pahingaan noon nung wala pa kaming yung mga bahay kubo doon sa taas.
Wow, bamboo already no good.
Yeah.
You see the bamboo, they're still the same. Even there's so much paint, still the same.
Yeah. That's why. Just
Now we learn now, never explain them.
that's why I told you right last time in La Union. Bahay kubo is not good. Like temporary only. Alright guys. Yan. Ito ang aming farm. Ay, sino yun? Si Kuya ano ata to? Yan, siya yung nagluto, si Kuya Federico.
Umiyak ka?
Ah,
Umiyak ka?
ito yung food namin ngayon, lunch. Ito yung mga anak ni ate, oh. 1 year old, 2 years old. Oh, ang cute nga nila, puros boys yung anak niya. Ayan, kain tayo.
Nakakita niyo yung pinanggalingan nilang bahay.
Maglagay ka ng serving spoon doon, no? Yung sa kapakbet. Yan, dyan. Hinay. Chinoy. Dudong.
Parang naging ano eh.
Sponsor. Big boss.
Sponsor.
Okay, nasa.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up
Oh,
daw.
thumbs up daw.